Doula Collective started with that idea to bring every resource possible for women to have the birth they dream of.
Community is a really important aspect of birth work. We didn't want the doula training to be a completely strict, structured, linear learning, but something that we evolve into along with other birth workers, experienced, new, by not only learning but also hand-holding and mentoring other peers. My vision for the Doula Collective is that we create a space where women and birth workers can come and feel nourished and feel supported and feel held together by other women and birth workers. And that in turn then gives us the strength to be able to extend this kind of love and support to birthing families.
And every time I went to a birth, I always talked to one of them around, and they were always ready to support me at any point in time. I think the community support has always been there right from the beginning till this point.
The peer support I get over here is in groups like this, where we talk about our own journeys and meet other people on the same path, which is a priceless in-person circle.
So, a doula's presence is like a lighthouse in a stormy sea. It's beckoning the ships to safety, but it's not really making them come to safety. We want to do that for everybody we work with. Why? Because quantum physics says that it is the quality of observation that changes the nature of the element that we're looking at. And we want to cultivate that quality of presence over the year-long training and come back to refine it in the subsequent years and continue to get better at it by meeting each other over and over again.
Yes, definitely it feels like sisterhood, but even better than sisterhood. Sisterhood, mentorship, and lifelong learning is what I've got from Doula Collective.
I'm a proud doula from the Doula Collective India. I feel so proud, so supported, and I feel very happy to be part of this Doula Collective.
It's such an empowering feeling to be here with a bunch of some of the most strongest women I know. It just feels so blessed.
Bringing the wisdom from the East or our culture to the knowledge that is now being disseminated, and find similarities and celebrate differences. And Doula Collective started with that idea.